To open a Fidelity Brokerage account, start by going to the Fidelity website and clicking on the Open an Account button. You will be presented with various account options, including individual accounts, joint accounts, and retirement accounts. Choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Next, you will be asked to provide personal and financial information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. You will also need to provide employment information and answer questions about your financial situation and investment goals. After providing the required information, you will need to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from a bank account, mailing a check, or wiring funds. The minimum amount required to open a Fidelity Brokerage account varies depending on the type of account, but many accounts have no minimum balance requirement. Once your account is open and funded, you can begin investing in a wide range of securities, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Fidelity offers a variety of research tools and educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. It is also important to understand the fees associated with your account, including trading commissions, management fees, and other expenses. Fidelity is known for its low fees and competitive pricing, but it is still important to review the fee schedule to ensure you understand all the costs associated with your account. Finally, consider setting up a systematic investment plan, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This can help you invest regularly and avoid trying to time the market. By following these steps and taking advantage of Fidelity's resources and tools, you can open a brokerage account and start achieving your investment goals.